One of the things that you'll be asked to do in an algebra course is find a parallel linear equation to another line. So one of the questions that I asked on my recent test was write an equation of a line described. And the described line says it has to pass through this point, coordinate 2, 10, and it has to be parallel to this equation, this line that would be given. Now, a couple things we know about this equation is that we're crossing the y-axis at -2. We're going to be rising 4, running 1. This is a linear equation written in slope-intercept form. We're going to also write an equation in slope-intercept form, but the problem is we don't know the y-intercept. The good news is that if it's parallel to this one, we know that it's going to have the same slope. So I can tell you right now my answer is going to have at least this in it. The only thing missing is where would the line that goes through 210 be crossing the y-axis. So you should have some understanding if you're watching this video of what a y-intercept is. It's where we're crossing the y-axis on the graph. We just got to figure out what line here, where would we have to be crossing the y-axis if we were also going to be going through 210 with a slope of 4. This is all you got to do. Just say, I don't know what the y-intercept is, so we replace it with the variable b in this case. Now we have an x, a y, and a b. We have 3 variables in one equation, but one is we only want to find one of them. We just want to find the y-intercept, b. So that's only the really unknown that we care about right now. So we're going to replace x and y. That's what algebra is all about, taking the little bits and pieces that we give you. We know that 2 and 10 is an x, y ordered pair. So my x value is a 2. I just erase this x, replace it with the 2. Erase this y, replace it with the 10, solve the equation out for b, and we'll know what our y-intercept is of the equation we're looking for. 4 times 2 gives me 8. I'm almost there, one more step, take 8 away, inverse operate, and now we have 2 equals b. So we know that our equation has to be y equals 4x. The reason it's 4x is because we have to have a matching slope in order for it to be parallel, and we would be crossing through +2 on the y-axis. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.